All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to change a couple of settings on Discord, 3 of them specifically, in order to reduce the amount of lag or drain from Discord on your system while you're playing GPU-intensive games. So if you open up your Discord and go to the Settings tab, the User Settings in the lower left-hand corner, under here, you're going to want to go down to the very bottom and go to Game Overlay. Make sure you've got the game overlay turned off. That way it doesn't pop up inside of the games you're playing, which will A, take more resources in order to render and use that, and B, it tends to cause different sort of stuttering and lag problems. So those are just good in general to have turned off. The next thing you're going to want to do is go to Appearance, and then here somewhere at the bottom, you should have a section called Advanced with Enable Hardware Acceleration. This uses your GPU to make all of the different animations and fancy graphical effects inside of Discord run and look better by using your graphics card directly. However, in some GPU intensive games, especially if your computer's on the older side, this will eat up a few of your frames, so it's a good idea to disable this, and you will need to restart your Discord once you do turn that off. And then the final thing that you need to change is here under Windows settings. You can make it so that Discord does not start automatically when your computer starts. You can toggle this off up here at the top. And then that will keep Discord from automatically popping up and being a drain on your system's resources until you actually want to click on it and use Discord to talk with your friends. And then that's it. Those are the settings that you can change inside of Discord to help reduce its FPS load on your computer and keep things running smoothly. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.